Hey, let's do some AWS troubleshooting. So I was trying to create a dual stack database, Aurora Postgres, and I was getting a very generic error that said your request to create the DB cluster dual stack didn't work. An internal error has occurred. Please try your query again at a later time. So basically every time I tried to create the database, nothing would happen, and I was very confused. AWS was giving me no help. What was significant was I wanted a dual stack, so I wanted IPv4 and IPv6 support. I had created an IPv6 only VPC because I didn't want to pay any IPv4 charges with the new charging scheme AWS has, and I needed the AWS to create a new DB subnet group for me. But like I said, I was just getting this error. I didn't know what was going on. When I tried to create a DB subnet group manually using that same VPC, I picked the 3 availability zones it needed. I had 3 subnets, but like I said, all these subnets were IPv6 only. So there was no CIDR block because these have 0 IPv4 support. And when I would try and create these, I would get that same an internal error has occurred. Please try your query again at a later time. I tried again to create another DB subnet group, this time using a mixture of IPv4 and IPv6 subnets. So this time 1B and 1A are both IPv4 support in addition to IPv6, but 1C is IPv6 only. When I try to create this subnet group, you get an error that says the DB subnet group can't contain both IPv4 and IPv6 native subnets. Native just means only supporting one thing. And so because this has no support for IPv4, I also can't create this DB subnet group. So the solution is you have to have IPv4 support in every subnet you have in each of the 3 availability zones. I will be able to create this. It has IPv6 support, it has IPv4 support, and once I create this, then I will be able to create my dual stack mode RDS. So it's a generic error. It's no help from Amazon. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks.